everyone, welcome back to Channel Blang. Today, we're diving into the Robots.txt file, a small but mighty tool that can make or break your website's SEO and performance. Let's break it down in this quick guide. So, what's a Robots.txt file? It's a simple text file placed in your website's root directory that tells search engine crawlers, like Google's bots, which pages or sections of your site to crawl or not to crawl. Think of it as a traffic cop for your website. Why should you care? Well, Robots.txt helps you control crawling, boost SEO, save resources, and protect sensitive data. Without it, you're leaving your site open to chaos. Creating a Robots.txt file is super easy. Just write your rules in a text editor and upload it to your site's root directory. Watch out for these pitfalls: blocking important pages, incorrect syntax, and no testing. Fix these, and you're golden. A few pro tips. Be specific with your disallow rules. Regularly update your Robots.txt and use tools like Screaming Frog to check what bots see. If you're on WordPress, plugins like Yoast SEO can help manage it. And that's the complete guide to Robots.txt in a nutshell. It's a small file with a big impact. Drop your questions below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more web tips. See you in the next video.